Hey guys, I'm Nikki and today I'm going to be doing a video where how to make slime but with white tack. It doesn't form with actual slime, but it's like slime. And yeah, I'm not sure if you can make it with blue tack. Though, but anyway, let's just kind of, and you can follow the instructions at home if you wish. So yeah, and that the noise on there is my brother on Fortnite, so I chat on Fortnite. So yeah, let's get started. And it's a really hot day and a bit freezing, like 100 degrees, not just I guess. Anyway, so first of all, I'm not sure if it will do with blue tack, but you can try home if you want, but I'm doing it with white tack. So basically you can just stretch it a bit, some minutes, and roll it into a ball and just stretch it. And I'm in the bathroom because that's the most common place you would be. So once you've stretched and it's soft or warm, a bit warm, well, you would add some water that is the cold water type, and yeah, I just got up. So yeah, I'm gonna get changed after I did this video. And like I said, it won't form like slime, but it will be slime. And you have to just take it easy, and yes, it's the rice rip. Yes, I said that because I just wanted to. Okay, and do not add too much water or it will work. And I've tried this and it was a success, but it was sticky, and you can see my hands are white. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna add some of this soap. I'm not sure if all the soaps that you have work, but yeah, you can try, but I only know these things work and some of them they don't work. So yeah, and the wash and go, the one that we have, they don't really work or just get moldy. I know it's weird, but yeah. So now it's gone all behind it. It should come like that. You have to put some more water, only touch. And then it will just come as apartments, but it will come together once you stretch it and you need it. And today I'm going to do a lot of videos because it's nice and sunny. And this is my third video in the morning so far. And yeah, I'm trying to knead it on here, but I need to dry my hands first, so the camera, yeah, you won't see me so far because I'm just washing or drying with this with my towel. So basically, if I put this to one side, the toothpaste, and I'm right now I'm in the bathroom, but I'm just kneading it on the table. I don't think you guys can see. Yeah, you might see it now. You won't see my face if I go oh, actually, you kind of will. You're just kneading it. Just the rice rip. Because I just seen a YouTube and they put rice in it. And it's called the rice rip slime. But I didn't actually put rice in here. I just call it the rice because rice. I don't know if rice is good into slime though. They are actually made into slime. They use glue and activator. I'm just kneading it. Playing with it. And the soap makes it soft, and yeah, makes it soft. It's so cool. And you can do swirls. But the one thing with white tack, when you make it into white tack slime, it's not really like slime, but you can't make bubbles, because if you do it like that, it's just going to pick up, and that means it's not ready. And I'm just like kneeling down because you can't actually see my whole face, and yeah, I'm sorry you did not see that. So now it's time to add like some spray or like water. Well, this is the spray that I use, and it's like near the sun. It's this one that I don't use for my hair because it's the one for like white tack stuff. So you're just gonna put this down, pat it. Then if you come down there, you just and that's how it makes it like foamy, and it makes it what's it called? Makes it smooth. Right now I'm standing up, so you can't really see me. I know what I look like now. I think we should add a bit more onto my hand. Okay, that should be enough. I'm just thinking, what did I use next? Okay, so that is all for today. Okay guys, I just paused it.